In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data to Pipedrive via a CSV file. This process is a crucial skill for anyone looking to streamline data management tasks within Pipedrive, allowing for a smooth transition or update of your sales and contact information. Let's get started on this simple and straightforward tutorial. First, begin by accessing your Pipedrive account. This is your main dashboard, providing an overview of all your sales activities. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the interface where you'll see three dots, often representing additional options or more settings. Go ahead and click on these three dots. This will open up a drop-down menu offering a variety of functions. Here, you need to locate and select the option that says Import Data. Clicking on this will guide you into the data import setup. Once the import setup screen appears, you'll see a button labeled Get Started. Click on it to move forward with the import process. You will then be prompted with another screen displaying the Next button. Click on Next to proceed, which will take you to the step where you upload your data file. Now, it's time to upload your spreadsheet. You can use files in the format of .xlsx or .csv, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're focusing on CSV files. Click on Upload Spreadsheet and select the file from your computer that you wish to import. After you've selected your file, go ahead and click OK, got it to confirm your action. Following this, click Next to move on. This step is crucial as it ensures that your file is ready for the import, so make sure everything looks good before proceeding. When you're confident with your file setup, click Next again to continue. You might need to review or modify your data mappings to ensure that they align with Pipedrive's fields, so take your time here. At this point, you have a decision to make regarding duplicates. Pipedrive will prompt you with options to either merge duplicates or create new entries. This step is important for maintaining data integrity and ensuring that your system remains clean and organized. Finally, once you've made your decisions and are satisfied with your configurations, locate and click on the Start Import button. This will initiate the import process, bringing all the data from your CSV file into Pipedrive. Depending on the size of your file, this might take a few moments. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your data into Pipedrive using a CSV file. By following these steps, you've ensured that your Pipedrive account is up to date with the latest information. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your Pipedrive experience.